Good morning, children. So today we are going to discuss some of important questions from JEE Mains and Advanced PYQs. Last 5 years only. Okay. So what we are going to do? I pick questions from whole chapter integration, depending on a different variety of questions. Okay. It includes indefinite integration. In indefinite integration, we will see integration, how to integrate by using some special form, by parts method, substitution method. These are the way in which we solve the questions. Similarly, definite integration of question we have to solve by using property. So let's see what are the questions. Total we will solve 12 questions. These are based like basically PYQ of JEE Main and Advanced. Question number 1. This is asked in JEE Main 2024 and it is from the chapter indefinite integration. What is the question? Question is talking about find integration of x square divided by x square plus 4 into x square plus 9, and these are the options. So how to do that question? Since we can observe term x square is there, means degree of x is 2, this term also degree is 2, this term also degree is 2. This motivates us to use integration by doing partial fraction. How to do the partial fraction? If this x square becomes x also, we will proceed the same way. Similarly, if x square becomes x cube also, we will proceed the same way. So how to solve? So what is the question? Integration of x square divided by x square plus 4 into x square plus 9 dx. For our betterment, what we are going to do? Let x square is equal to some variable, suppose t. So this expression become t by t plus 4 into t plus 9. This we have to do by partial fraction. How to do partial fraction? That means this term we have to break some constant divided by t plus 4 plus some constant divided by t plus 9. This implies just do the cross multiplication. We will get t is equal to t plus 4 will cancel, a into t plus 9 plus b into t plus 4. Now our target is to find a and b. There are two methods to do. Multiply and that solve this expression we have to solve and equate the coefficient. We will get two equation in terms of a and b, and after solving we will get the value of a and b. Another way is choose appropriate value of t such that at least one will cancel. Meaning here a and b to question. So exactly if you choose t so that a cancel, you will get the value of b. Similarly, if you choose t so that b got 0, that this coefficient got 0, this coefficient got 0, then you will get a. Similarly, any other variable is there, a, b, c, d. The approach is choose appropriate case of value of t such that at least lot of variable got cancel, or at least you will get value of one variable. Here, if I choose t is equal to minus 9, let t is equal to minus 9. What will happen? This becomes 0. T plus 9, that means minus 9 plus 9 0. So what I got? This implies minus 9 is equal to this becomes 0 plus b into t become minus 9. Minus 9 plus 4 become minus 5. This implies b is equal to minus minus or cancel 9 by 5. Now to get value of a, what we are going to do? Take t is equal to minus 4. If I take t is equal to minus 4, this becomes 0. Let t is equal to minus 4. This implies minus 4 is equal to this becomes 0. This becomes a into t become minus 4. Minus 4 plus 9 become plus 5. This implies a is equal to minus 4 by 5. So we got a is equal to minus 4 by 5 and b is equal to 9 by 5. So we use the value of a and b and try to write this expression as sum of a by something plus b by something. So integration of our expression t by t plus 4 into t plus 9 become a by t plus 4. What is the value of a? A is minus 4 by 5. So minus 4 by 5 divided by t plus 4 plus what is the value of b? B is 9 by 5. 9 by 5 divided by t plus 9. So this we can write like this. What is the value of t? T is nothing but x square. So that means x square divided by x square plus 4 into x square plus 9. We can write minus 4 by 5 into 1 by x square plus 4 plus 9 by 5 into 1 by x square plus 9. Now, what is our target? We have to find integration of this term, right? This implies integration of x square divided by x square plus 4 x square plus 9 dx is nothing but minus 4 by 5 is constant. So integrate, if you do integration, constant into something, constant come outside, and integration is distributive over addition. That means integration is separated over plus sign. That means it should be minus 4 by 5 integration of dx by x square plus 4 plus 9 by 5 integration of dx by x square plus 9. Then this is our target to solve, right? We know a formula. What is that formula? Integration of dx by x square plus a square is equal to, what is the formula? It is a part of top special system, right? So integration of dx by x square plus a square become 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So this would be 1 by a tan inverse x by a. 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Here a is a square is 4. That means a is 2. Similarly, a square is 9. That means a is 3. So this becomes equal to minus 4 by 5 into 1 by a यानी 1 by 2. This is my a square, right? So a is 2. 1 by 2 into tan inverse x by a यानी x by 2 that plus 9 by 5 into 1 by a. This is my a square. 1 by a means 1 by 3 into tan inverse x by 3. Correct. Now do the calculation. This got cancelled, will get 2 here. This got cancelled, will get 3 here. So what is my final answer? This is equal to minus 2 by 5 minus 2 by 5 tan inverse x by 2 plus 3 by 5 tan inverse x by 3 plus integration constant c. This is our final answer. So what I got? Minus 2 by 5 tan inverse x by 2 plus 3 by 5 tan inverse x by 2. This is our answer. Since I am explaining you how to solve, so I solve every step, but in the exam you need not to solve this unit. Some calculation will be skipped. So back to our question. We'll see